Welcome to Week 13 of the Leadership course. In this module, we focus on Chapter 14, Social Identity Leadership. You will explore social identity leadership, how it emphasizes group identity in shaping leadership effectiveness, its strengths and criticisms, and its applications in fostering cohesion and collective action. Begin by opening the Module 13 overview. Review the learning objectives, module resources, and assignments to understand expectations for this module. Next, move to the Module 13 Resources section. Start with the reading activities for Chapter 14. As you work through the chapter, you will complete polls, video activities, knowledge checks, and a self-assessment designed to reinforce your understanding of the material, encourage reflection, and apply leadership concepts in real-world contexts. After completing the reading activities, review the PowerPoint presentation for Chapter 14. The slides will help you understand social identity leadership, explore how group membership shapes leader-follower relationships, and evaluate its strengths, criticisms, and applications in today's organizations. Next, watch the video titled Social Identity Theory. This video explains social identity theory, outlining how individuals form group-based identities through categorization, identification, and comparison. Once you have completed the resources, move to the assignments section. First, complete the reading activities for Chapter 14. Next, complete the Chapter 14 quiz. The assessment consists of a randomly selected set of 20 multiple-choice or true or false questions. Finally, continue working on the Personal Leadership Development paper, due in Week 14. The paper requires you to reflect on your leadership growth, summarize your philosophy, and analyze your strengths and opportunities for improvement using journal entries, your 360-degree assessment, and course materials. As you work through this module, consider how shared identity can strengthen leadership effectiveness, trust, and organizational success.